Hi, I'll show you how to design and construct a packaging for pasta. This is my basic sketch. As you can see, this is a paper box with some holes where I'm going to show the product through, the liquid deli, and these are the materials I'm going to use. This is a paper template you can find in Aula Virtual. And in this case, this is the paper packaging box with a butterfly clasp. It was printed on a sheet of DIN-A4 Canson paper, 130 grams meters squared weight, or you can print it in any other cardboard paper. You will need as well a utility knife, pair of scissors, maybe an X-Acto knife to make little details, and then I'm going to use as well a ruler. Please put something behind the page so you don't spoil the table behind. When you look at the box template, you have to distinguish three different types of lines. Solid lines, like these ones. This is what we are going to use the utility knife and the ruler. And then the dashed lines. There are two different types of dashed lines. Those made out of line segments, like these ones, they will be valley folds. We will fold the paper like in a valley. Or those made out of dots and line segments. These ones, they will be mountain fold. All right? So let's cut it out. This is the hole for the clasp. I'm going to use the ruler and the X-Acto knife to make a beautiful cut here, very precise and neat. And then I'm going to use, as you can see in the utility knife, this is the blade. I'm going to use the opposite side to mark all the folding lines using the ruler as well. This is going to help us to have beautiful edges in the box. So very important thing, just instead of using the cutting edge, you will use the opposite one, like this. All right, these lines are very helpful because when folding the packaging, everything is going to be very quick. As you can see, the lines are very clean. Does it make sense? All right. Before assembling the box, we are going to add all the additional information. Before designing your packaging, I strongly recommend to check some real examples of packaging. In this case, that I'm designing a pasta packaging, I checked the retail information on real one, and these are the conclusions I got. That my final packaging should need a visible logo, should include the name of the product, which is a liquid deli, at the back, the ingredients and nutrition facts, the code bar, organic label, recycling and packaging instructions, the amount of product, a good headline for the brand, master Italian pasta maker since 1850, the cook time, best before, and the address of the company. So the idea when designing your packaging is not only to protect the product, but also inform about the quality of the product and show the brand in a bold way to call the attention of the consumer. Useful materials: mechanical pencil and eraser, the ruler and the set of squares to make perpendicular lines. Then we will need the fine liners and maybe some colors. Markers much better. So let's begin with this. Here we have the sketch of the packaging. This is the front face, the back face, right side of the box, left side. This is the bottom. This space is to glue the clasp. This is the flap to close the box, and this is the lid with a hole for the clasp. Once we have all the sketch beautifully done using the ruler, the technical drawing tools and the mechanical pencil, we are going to go over the lines with the fine liners. Basically the black fine liners, and then my color choice, which is going to be basically red, green, black and white, because those are the colors we associate with Italy and the Italian pasta. These are my colors, basically. I'm going to open the holes. With the X-Acto knife. Erase the pencil lines. I'll glue this piece of transparent foil at the back with some plastic PVA glue. Once all the design is done, we will fold it and assemble. Press with something to keep this perfectly glued. Little adjustments for the lid. Now I'm going to make the clasp. I measure the hole, which is 17. And then I use this piece of cutout to make exactly the same shape. And that's it. This is the clasp already glued. I'm going to wait until it gets totally dry to show you the whole face, the whole box. This is the final packaging. Front face of the product, where you can see the name of the product and a visible logo, the headline, Italian pasta maker since 1850. The right side with the date of consumption and the quantity of the product. At the back we have the ingredients and the nutritional facts, the label of organic and the barcode. To the left we have the information about how to recycle the packaging and information written about the company, the address of the company. We don't have anything at the bottom. And that's it. This is an example of packaging.